Hi, I'm Emma Weddage. I'm an engineer at Haskell specializing in automation, and I'm here to share my recent adventure in the Netherlands. The assignment was to visit a client's facility for equipment inspection and testing. Day one, my teammate Nick and I landed in Amsterdam and caught a train to a town called Nijmegen. We wandered the market and got fries with mayo. They love their mayo and their cheese. Later, we visited the gorgeous grounds of Kronenberger Park, where there were goats, ruins of old castles, and historic churches. We ended our day with some savory Dutch pancakes for dinner. The next morning, it was time to get to work. We headed to the plant in Witchen, where we inspected two identical cartoners. First, we did a static checkout. That means I powered down the machine, opened the main panel, compared every wire, label, and a component against electrical schematics. Once the panel was verified, we moved to dynamic testing. We turned the machine on, tested every push button, and ran system checks. One of my key roles is testing safety functionality. We're responsible for making sure this equipment is safe for operators in the field. That means testing everything. We also ran induced failure tests. We intentionally jammed the system by unplugging components and shutting off the power mid-run to simulate a plant-wide shutdown. Each failure needs to trigger the red alarm on the HMI screen. After that, we ran product through each machine for a full test cycle. My counterpart, Nick, inspected the cases, checking glue seals and folds, while I monitored performance and verified all systems functioned as expected. Everything went well, and there were no major issues. That evening, the plant team kindly took us to dinner at this charming windmill restaurant near the German border. The fields were glowing at golden hour. It was so surreal and beautiful. Since the machines performed so well and we wrapped early, we had time to spend a day in Amsterdam. I've been lucky enough to have visited a few times for work, and it is without a doubt one of my favorite cities. A special stop I try to make whenever I'm in the area is my stroopwafelgaar, the absolute best. We walked the canals, had lunch, and took in the atmosphere. You don't need a plan in Amsterdam. Sometimes just wandering around the city is the best itinerary. As engineers, we solve problems, and we do it by collaborating with our teams and our clients, making sure that everything we deliver is reliable and safe. I'm so grateful that I love what I do, and trips like this just make the job so special and rewarding. A big thank you to my amazing team and to our client for being generous with their time and their awesome city.